GPS by New Calgon. New Calgon has partnered with Global Plasma Solutions to bring the new iWave air purification products to the HVAC-R market. This patented technology uses bipolar ionization with needlepoint brushes to create a precise electrical charge that safely cleans the air in residential and commercial buildings. Easily installed in an HVAC system in minutes, iWave products come in contact with the air as it circulates throughout the entire home, effectively killing mold, bacteria, and viruses in the air. They also reduce allergens, odors, smoke, static electricity, and airborne particles, as well as aid in keeping the indoor coil cleaner. iWave's technology generates the same ions as nature creates with lightning, waterfalls, and ocean waves, without developing any ozone. When these ions are injected into the airstream, creating a plasma region, they break down passing pollutants and gases into harmless compounds like oxygen, carbon dioxide, and water vapor, neutralizing odors without producing any ozone or other byproducts. The harmless ions created by this technology attach themselves to allergens, smoke, pollen, airborne particles, and more. When this occurs, the particles continue to cling to each other until they are heavy enough to be moved by the air current and caught by the air filter, resulting in a reduction of airborne particles that can cause respiratory problems. When the ions come in contact with viruses, bacteria, or mold, they remove the hydrogen atom from the pathogens. Without hydrogen, the pathogens have no source of energy and will die. A simple demonstration shows how iWave prevents mold from growing on bread over time. This shows how the products address pathogens downstream of the device, at the coil, and in the living space. Another demonstration shows how iWave products remove smoke from the airstream within a short period of time. iWave offers a complete line of patented air purification products. For residential applications, we feature the iWave-R, a self-cleaning, no-maintenance air purifier with universal mounting, universal voltage input, and no replacement parts. An alternative low-maintenance option is the iWave-V with 24 VAC voltage, universal mounting, and no replacement parts. Both products are suitable for systems up to 6 tons. For ductless systems, such as wall and ceiling cassette mini-splits, we offer iWave-F, a customizable, flexible, ion-generating bar that will install on any HVAC cooling coil up to 48 inches in width. For commercial and residential applications, the iWave-C is a self-cleaning, no-maintenance air purifier with universal voltage, programmable cleaning, and an integral alarm circuit. The iWave-C is suitable for 12-ton systems, and multiple units can be applied to larger systems. Unlike ionization created by PCO technologies currently on the market, iWave products effectively purify the air in a home or building without producing any harmful byproducts or needing expensive replacement parts. Remember, only iWave air cleaners safely treat the air so residents can live better. iWave, only from New Calgon.